Let's read a story about Sunny. Sunny the cat. Look, Sunny the cat goes for a walk. Look, Sunny sees the sun. Sunny sees the grass. Sunny sees a snail. Sunny sees a frog. Sunny sees a mouse.